name's Brian Parker. I'm the owner of B&N Land Management. B&N specializes in right-of-way clearing and commercial clearing. We do pipeline right-of-way, electrical right-of-way, commercial site clearing, for example, steel mill in Carrollton, Kentucky. We service Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, Indiana. I looked up CMI, called them. A gentleman in Canada got me in touch with Jesse with Columbus. Never met Jesse, talked twice on the phone, told him I needed a machine because my red machine was down. Without hesitation, he sent me a 300 to a job at Newport Steel. Never met anyone at Columbus, just talked on the phone, sends me a $400,000 machine, says run it. We ran it 2 days, I bought it. We loved the 300, it did great. We just kept getting bigger and bigger scopes of work. And he had a really good deal on a 475 low hour. We ran it, we ended up buying it. You know, the 475 is a huge machine, so we needed a small one. So called Jesse again, sends me a 175. And that machine, for around a 20,000 pound machine, 4-cylinder, it will smoke that 200 red machine we had. And it doesn't break every day. Continues to run, it's better fuel economy. So, I mean, just the package of the two machines together, they pair very nice.
This machine's it's comparable to the Fecon 200, but I feel like this machine, your fuel economy is a lot better, and it honestly does more work per hour than that Fecon 200 could do. I don't know why, but it just works better.
This particular job we're on goes from the Ohio River all the way up to Ohio. We're in Indiana right now. It's a gas line right away. It's steep, rocky, about the worst environment you could put mulching teeth through. We're running the carbide teeth on the 475, and we're running a knife tooth on the 175, which seems to work really good. That particular hill had never been mulched or cleared with the machine. It had always been hand cut. From what I'm told, we're the first crew that's actually successfully cut it. I don't see any other machine going up that. And processing material, some would have a hard time just going up it. The 475 in particular, for as much as it weighs, it's like driving a big skid steer. Like a 50, 60,000 pound skid steer is pretty much what it might as well be. Spins on a dime, holds the hill great. I like the trunnion style front end. It's like a dozer, so it pivots in the front. It's not a solid, rigid chassis, which helps a lot on uneven ground. The high track helps a lot with keeping debris out of the sprocket wear and such. The 175, we're running the bite limiter drum head, which on a lower horsepower machine helps with keeping the head speed up, torque on the motor. And you can take a 175 horse machine and it cuts like a 250 horsepower machine with that tooth and drum setup.
So when you're running the CMI 175, we chose it because it's easy to load. You can put it on a gooseneck trailer and haul it behind a pickup truck. It does a very good job. It's comfortable to run. It's very efficient. The controls are really comfortable. They're right where they should be. Everything's right there at your fingertips. The screens are easy to read. And the visibility out of this cab is great. Everything is exactly where it should be and works like it should.
These machines, when you buy them, they're built to do that job. They're not rush engineered and sent to market like some other companies. They do exactly what the salesman says they'll do. You hit the key, they run, they do their job, and I can't be more pleased with how they operate. And then if you do have a problem, the biggest thing on this industry is downtime. If I have a problem, I text Jesse or Aaron. Within 10 minutes, I've got a call or a text back, and within 12 hours of the call, I have a tech there. You know, those guys treat us like we're family. Anything we need, they do everything in their power to make it happen.